What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. Obviously we're not next to the car right now, but we are doing a mod on the car, so let me just go ahead and show you guys real quick. So if you guys check this out, this package right here says East Detailing Steering Wheel. Now some of you guys might have heard of this company before, some of you might not have heard of this company before, but obviously there's not a steering wheel in here, so maybe you guys can guess what it is. Let me go ahead and take it out of the package real quick. So in here we have some thread, a little pry tool, some double-sided tape. I'm pretty sure you guys can already guess what this is, but if I come on this one, let me go ahead and open this real quick. Here, oh my god, this looks so sick. You guys can go ahead and see that we have a steering wheel cover for the M5. This is gonna change like the whole look of the steering wheel, and I'm super excited to put it on already. So it's like an Alcantara. I don't know if you guys can see that really good, but it's an Alcantara with a white stripe in the middle. I decided to do white. I was gonna do blue to match like the rest of the accent color on the car, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep that blue forever. And I didn't want to have it like, I don't know, I didn't want to have it blue or like a certain color, because I don't know what color I want to go with next, like on the calipers and all that stuff. So I decided to just do white. I think white will look super clean and super nice. But yeah, I'm just like super excited to put it on already. Huge shout out to East Detailing Steering Wheel for partnering with me to get this done. Yeah, I have never sewed in my life, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully it's not too hard, but yeah, we're gonna tackle this on together. And yeah, all right, so before we actually do this, I have to take the steering wheel off the car, obviously. So I'm gonna go to my car real quick, take off the steering wheel, come back up here, set up a little bit more light and stuff, and let's just get straight into it. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and take off the steering wheel real quick. All right, so real quick, let's take off the airbag. Now let's go ahead and take off the bolts. All right, so now that we actually took off the bolts, by the way, it's a 60mm. Let's go ahead and take off these connection right here and this connection up here. Now that those are off, we can just go ahead and grab the steering wheel and pull it off the car. Now let's go ahead and go upstairs and put the steering wheel cover on. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started on the cover. So I did put like a towel down just to have a little more grip, so the steering wheel is not moving all over the place, and to so I won't scratch the desk. But yeah, before we actually get started, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the paddles. I'm gonna take off this piece. I'm gonna try to take off the back piece as well, and then maybe even these, just to get a little more like room in there. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get started. Every bolt you do have to take off is gonna be a T20. Just remember exactly which bolt goes where. That way you just don't have like a whole bunch of bolts and you have no idea which ones go where. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this off real quick. All right, so we ended up just taking off the center piece and the pedals. And then I just screwed these pieces back into place so it's not super loose. Once it's actually time to tuck in the cover, like all around, I'll go ahead and loosen it up and just like pry it out a little bit while I tuck it in. I didn't feel like taking off all these wires, so that's why I didn't want to take the back piece off. But yeah, let's just go ahead and start fitting it on, and yeah, hopefully everything goes well. So pretty much the front part is blue, the back side is red, so I'm gonna put it on the same exact way onto the steering wheel. Blue part towards the front and then the red part towards the back. So let's try to get it fitted. I don't know exactly how we're gonna do this. Oh my god, that's gonna look so damn sick. Oh, alright. Alright, so let's go ahead and start putting it on. What I'm gonna do right now is just fold it back a little bit and put tape. It comes with double-sided tape to kind of hold it into place. That way after we can just pretty much sew it and tighten it up and make it look a little nicer. But yeah, also what you want to do is kind of hold it into place yourself and make sure that this crease lines up where the old crease would, like where it's sewed on. Make sure it lines up on both sides. Make sure it lines up in the middle so that you pretty much sew it on in the same exact spot that the old one was sewed on. And yeah, now we can go ahead and get it started. Let me go ahead and get the tape. Alright guys, so I did put tape all around the inside. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it right there. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is peel all the tape and then slowly start like pressing everything down all the way around. So yeah, let me just go ahead and do that. I'm most likely not gonna be talking or anything. It's just because I'm concentrating, not because like I don't want to explain anything. Yeah, I'm really trying to concentrate and make sure I do everything right. So yeah, let me just go ahead and do this real quick. Alright guys, we now took all the wrappers off of the tape. Now we can go ahead and just set it down. Again, make sure you set it down exactly how you want it from now. So just slowly start setting everything in. I would start from the middle and kind of just slowly work out to the edges. Same for the bottom. Start kind of at the edge of the bottom or like in the middle or something, and then just work out from there. But yeah. Here goes nothing. Alright, so there's step one. You guys can see it. This thing's gonna look so sick once it's on the car. But yeah, there's step one. I am seeing some wrinkles and stuff. I'm thinking this is gonna go away once we actually sew it and make it tighter. Now we begin the fun parts, actually sewing it, which I have no idea how to sew. So hopefully everything goes good. So I'm gonna start by getting my thread. I'm gonna go ahead and get around double of what this is, just to make sure I have a little bit extra in case of anything. I'd rather have a little bit extra than a little bit less than what I need. So I would say about there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right there. Alright, here goes nothing, guys. So pretty much I'm gonna try to do what it says here. I'm gonna go from the inside out and then from the outside in, both on the first threads, and then I'm gonna go back around like I did on this one, and then that's when I'll start doing the cross pattern. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna record all this, just because I'm really not gonna talk at all or say anything or like just anything at all. So yeah, I'll probably get back to you guys once I actually have a little bit section done, and then yeah, hopefully it comes out good. Alright guys, so the first side is done, and honestly it's not that bad. The stitching does look really good, but I feel like it could have been a bit tighter. I'm not really too sure if you guys can see that good, but yeah, for the most part it came out really nice, and the Alcantara looks really nice. So yeah, like I said, I just feel like it could have been a tiny bit tighter, the threads. It was a little hard to keep the thread going and keeping it tight at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best on the other sides. But yeah, for the most part, I think that side came out really good for it being my first time ever sewing. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this side now, and hopefully everything turns out good. Alright guys, once again, the other side is now done. And again, like I said before, I feel like it could have been a little bit tighter. But for the most part, it looks really nice. There's really no wrinkles at all, anywhere. And yeah, the Alcantara just looks really nice. But yeah, like it could have been a little bit tighter. But again, I was having a hard time tightening it and like sewing at the same time. So for the most part, it's pretty good, and it's not super noticeable. So yeah, now I want to do the top side, and then after that I can just start tucking everything in, and then yeah, we can throw it back on the car. But let me do this top side real quick, and then we can go ahead and assemble everything back together. Alright guys, so obviously there's no steering wheel here. I am officially done. I want to say I wish it came out a little bit better. That's my fault though. It's extremely good quality. The Alcantara feels so premium. Yeah, let me just go ahead and show you guys real quick. Oh my god, that thing looks so sick. Yeah, like I said, I wish it came out a little bit better. Like we have one crease right here and one up here that I didn't want to deal with no more. I'm pretty tired. It didn't take too long. I want to say it took around 2 to 3 hours, but I did hear a few people saying that it took them like 6, 7, 8 hours. But I mean, maybe it came out a little bit better than mine did, but for the most part it looks really good. Again, for the top, I wish it was a tiny bit tighter. Like I said, it's just kind of hard keeping the thread tightened while you're trying to like thread the rest like of the steering wheel. But for the most part guys, it looks really nice. It honestly looks like a brand new steering wheel, and honestly you're just gonna have to take my word for it when I tell you guys that this Alcantara feels so premium. I'm super excited. I've always wanted an Alcantara steering wheel, and now it would actually match my headliner on the M5. So yeah, it looks so sick. I'm super excited. It is already 1 in the morning, but I think I am gonna go ahead and put it on right now. I think everybody in the house is sleeping, but I'm gonna sneak out real quick and go put it on, show you guys a little preview of it, and then tomorrow morning when it's nice and bright outside, I'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit better what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just like super excited, so I want to go put it on right now. And yeah, enough talking. I will see you guys in the car. Alright, so in 1, 2, 3. And just like that guys, we have a brand new steering wheel. Honestly, it looks so nice. I wish I was able to sew it a little bit nicer so we don't have like this little crease over here, or the one up here. But for the most part, it looks really nice. I'm super happy with the way it came out, guys. Like, the Alcantara is, oh, you guys can see like both of them right there. the Alcantara steering wheel and then the Alcantara on the back. Trust me guys, the Alcantara is extremely good quality. Like, it's premium quality. I'm super happy with the way it feels and everything. It's really good quality, and I'm super happy with the way it came out. Huge shout out to East Detailing steering wheel, guys. I'll leave all your links in the description, and I also have a little discount for you guys, so look out in the description for that. But yeah, like, I gotta go inside because it's super quiet out, and everybody's sleeping. Like I said, it's almost 1:30 in the morning, so yeah, I gotta get myself inside. But stay tuned guys, because it's not over. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like tomorrow during the daytime. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is now the next day, and bro, this steering wheel looks so sick. Oh my god, the Alcantara just looks so nice. Like, oh my god, bro, the steering wheel looks so sick. Oh my god, the Alcantara looks like super nice. You guys can see the Alcantara on the steering wheel, and then the Alcantara on the headliner. You guys can see it right here too. Looks so sick, it matches so nice. I've always been a fan of the white line, actually. Ever since Finding Nick got his first steering wheel for his M3, I think from Mashimarho, and it had a white line. It looks so sick, and it pretty much matches with any color. So also what I did is I tried to put the stitching on this piece more towards the back, like the original one, because on the original steering wheel, the stitching goes from like the middle towards the back and then back towards the middle. So that's kind of what I try to do. But yeah guys, besides that, please check out East Detailing steering wheel. I'll leave their Instagram down below, as well as their website. I'll put their Instagram right here on the screen as well. Yeah, please check them out guys. It's a company that I've been wanting to partner with for a really long time now, and I finally got the opportunity to do it. And yeah guys, there's a few more companies that I've seen, but just like the quality and the way they present their products and everything, is just, East Detailing was a company that I preferred to go with over any other company that I had seen, and I'm super happy that I waited and went with them instead, because yeah, like I said, the quality on the steering wheel is so nice. Or at least the steering wheel cover, the Alcantara looks just like the original Alcantara on my headliner. It feels really nice, just like the quality, the way it looks, the way it feels and everything. The fitment of the steering wheel cover, everything is 100% perfect. The little flaws that it has is all on me, the way I stitched it, but for the most part it really has no flaws and everything was perfect. And yeah, I'm just super happy that I went with them guys. Again, go ahead and check everything in the description. I left a little discount code for you guys in case you do want to get a steering wheel cover for yourself. I believe it's about 10% off for you, and I get some commission off of that as well. So I'll really appreciate it if you guys do use my link or my code, my bad, to order one if you do want one. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Again, check the description for all the information on East Detailing steering wheel. I'm gonna leave their website, their Instagram, and then I'll leave a little discount code for you guys to check it out. And with all that being said guys, go ahead and leave your thoughts on the steering wheel cover in the comment section below. I'll be answering all the comments. And yeah, any other video suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comments as well. Make sure to leave the video a thumbs up as well. And yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys did like the video once again, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.